In this video, how to create dashboard on Salesforce. I will show you step by step how to create a dashboard in Salesforce. First, go to the Salesforce website in your browser. Log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, go to the main menu of the platform. Now click the icon called App Launcher. In the search bar, type Dashboards. Click the Dashboards option to open the Dashboards section. Now click the New Dashboard button. Enter a name for the dashboard. Choose the folder where you want to save the dashboard. Click Create to continue. Now you can add components to the dashboard. Click the Plus Component button. Select a report to display on the dashboard. Choose the visualization type such as chart or table. Configure the chart format if needed. Click Add to include the component. You can add multiple components to the dashboard. Arrange the elements by dragging them into position. Review the dashboard layout. After that, click Save to save it. Now, the dashboard will be available for viewing. This is how you can create a dashboard in Salesforce easily.